It is now 2025, and it's time for me to get into my office and get everything organized and decluttered. I'm not going to be ashamed. I'm going to show you my office. This is one reason why I have not been in here recording, because it's too much clutter. And yes, the clutter came from me. I cannot deny that. But you know, anytime that you do something, you have to make it better. So I have to come in here and make this office better because this is my space. This is my space where I work. This is my space where I get everything together to bring you content. So, as you see right now, it's not a working space for me. I do not like clutter, even though I have accumulated so much here. As you see, my desk is not a workable desk right now. My husband is going to be building me another desk, and this office is going to be completely different once you see it again. Now, I have to come in here and go ahead and clean all of this out because I have a vision for my office here in 2025. So I told you I was going to bring you new content, and this is part of it. This is called the Decluttering a Craft Room or an Office, because that's what I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to be taking you with me. So if there is any part of your home that you need to declutter, whether it's a craft room, an office, a bedroom, or whatever it may be, you can get some inspiration to go ahead and get yours done also. This is 2025. I call this a year of increase. I cannot have increase with clutter. At least, I don't think so, because I don't like it. So, what I'm going to start doing, as you see everything here, I have to start organizing it. Everything have a place, so I have to start placing it where it belongs. So, I hope you like videos like this, because this is going to be one of the decluttering videos that I'm going to be showing you about my office. As you see, it's pretty big in here. I also have a closet over here. And let me show you how my closet look. I did come in here and call myself organizing some things, but as you see right here, it has gotten cluttered again also. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take care of this. This is Aisha of Aisha Designed It. And as you heard me tell you earlier in the video, I am going to be redoing my office. Y'all, I am so super excited. This is something that I've been wanting to do for a very long time. And I'm just now getting the time to do it. As you see, this room is cluttered. We moved in this house in 2018, y'all, from a very, very small 2-bedroom apartment. So where you see a person at the time is not where they have always been. All right, so as you see right here in this area right here is where I'm going to be putting a TV. I've always wanted a TV in my office, so I'm going to be putting it right here where you see that little, I don't know the name of it, but it's something my husband put there to make sure the TV is straight. That's where I'm going to be putting it, right there in that area. All right, so y'all, I have removed a lot of stuff. As you see, the TV is up. I have removed the desk in the middle. Well, part of it. I am giving this to our niece who's in school so she can use it. And as you see, I have so much to get rid of. As you see right here, I have the organizer. Then I'm going to be putting a lot of my things in, which is going to go in the middle of the floor. The actual wood desk is going to go on top of this. I told my husband exactly what I wanted. I showed him what I wanted, and he's going to be making my vision come to pass. Remember, my husband is the one who do a lot of my woodworking. I do a lot of door signs, and all of that, so he's the one that's going to do that for me. And as you see, we have already put up the organizer, and here it is right here. And y'all, I love it. I have so much space to put all of my things that I got off my bookcase, all of that stuff there. Here's my husband. He is making the actual tabletop to go on to the organizers. You will see later on as I show you my desk once he finishes it. And like I said before, he is the one that helped me with a lot of my woodworking. And now you see he's just cutting the wood to fit the desk. All right, y'all, so you see right here, I have really removed a lot of stuff from that bookcase that you're seeing over right here. Okay, that bookcase right there, I have removed a lot of the things that I had on it, and I placed it on my organizer. This bookcase, well, actually the two bookcases I'm giving to my daughter. If you don't know, my daughter is in college, but she will be going to hair school. She is the one who do my hair, my nails, and all that good stuff. So she will be going to school and doing some things, practicing. So I'm going to give that to her to go into her storage space for her to do her hair. And as you see, here's all the things that I have put. I've taken it from the bookcase and put it on the organizer, y'all, and I absolutely love it. I had to organize it in a way where I can find everything. And y'all, I did not know I had so much stuff. When you start removing stuff, you would just look and be like, wow, I didn't know I had this. So as you see, I have all this stuff. All right, so right here is the organizers that I had gotten from Michael's, and I'm going to be placing these over in another area of my office. Once I clean everything off, I do have some things in the drawers here that I need to get out and reorganize. As you see, I have the wood here. My husband's going to be using that to go on the table. I have this motivational sign, y'all. I love motivations and affirmations. Y'all should know that by now. But my nephew gave me this a couple of years ago, but I'm going to be passing it along to someone else. So I'm just going to upgrade my motivations. And as you see, that table that my husband made for me a couple of years ago, I'm going to be moving that also. And actually, there's my TV and all of the things here that you see. We getting this taken care of with to put on the desk. All right, so here's my office again, and as you see, this is the table that my husband made for me. Now, we're not finished. We have some more things to do, but I absolutely love it, y'all. This is the table that I had showed him, a vision that I had, and he helped me to bring that vision to life, is what I would say. Okay, so I'm going to take this table that he made for me also, and I'm going to be putting that over on the other side, and I'm going to be putting my heat press in another area also. Now I just stacked all of these things up so that I can move them out the way. As you see, this bookcase here, I'm going to be giving that to my daughter. I don't know if you know, but she's in college and she's going to be doing hair, so that's going to be a big help for her when she do her business and everything. And as you see, everything is organized so far. There are a lot of things that I had to bring here into my living room. I do baskets and all that stuff that I don't show here. But as you see right here, y'all, I have to remove a lot of stuff. But I'm ready to get it done. And yeah, so make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you later. Peace.